Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to work. This is a Mercedes C300. So the customer has been complaining about the cigar lighter. So the cigar lighter is just right over here. He's saying it's not working. So we're going to test it and see it first if it's working or not. So first things first, as you come here, you start the car. And then once you start the car, and then you bring your charger. You just put right in over here like that, and then we get our phone, and then we test it and see if this thing is working. So I go ahead and hook my phone in right here. So when I hook my phone like that, and you come right here, it's not charging. So and we see it's connected, so we know there's a problem. So I'll show you guys how to do it, and then let's do it. Number one, you turn your car off, and then you go to you come to your trunk, and then you just pop it up. Once it pops up, you just come here on the side, and then you just open this thing like this, and then you open like this. It exposes to you this fuse box. So the fuse for this cigar lighter is right over here. It's on showing 15. So let's see if this thing is still good, if it's bad. So we can just visually look at it, just like from right over here. And yeah, this thing is broken. So let me just get it out. So you just pop it out from right over here. So this thing comes like this, and then you look for something like kind of like a clip, and then you just like unhook it with it. So you get something just like this. You just come over here, and then you just pull it like that. So let's moment of the truth. Let's see if this thing is good. And as I suspected, our cigar lighter is broken. So we put this on the side. We get a new one, just the same, which is 15. Let me zoom in right there. So there's a 15 like that. So what we do, you just come right over there, and then we just push it right in. So 15 is right in, then we can lock it. So this thing is locked. So let's go and test our stuff. Since I think that should fix, you can just close our stuff right here, and we go right here. So welcome back here. You can start our car, and everything is good. And then we come right here, and so when we start our car like this, we just come right over here. And what we do, this is our phone. You see it's not charging. Then we bring our charger, and then we just insert like that, and bingo, it's charging right here. So right there it's charging. So that's how simple it is to replace your fuse and to keep your charger working. Alright, thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and then see you in the next one. Alright, bye bye.